Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss 20 important multiple choice questions from fluid statics and fluid mechanics. Now let us start with our first question. Hydraulic system works on the basis of, see, this type of simple and easy question will also ask in your examinations. So you know the answer of this question. Answer of this question is Pascal's law. Option choice C is the correct answer. Hydraulic system worked on the principle of Pascal's law. Now let us see question number 2. In designing wings of aeroplane, Bernoulli's principle is used. Option choice B is the correct answer. By using Bernoulli's principle, there is pressure difference between the upper and lower part of the wings of aeroplane, so that it gets required lift in order to take flight. Now let us see question number 3. The unit of surface tension is, we know that surface tension is defined as force per unit length. The unit of force is Newton and the unit of length is meter. So right answer for the question number 3 is option choice D. Now let us see question number 4. Bulk modulus is the ratio of, as we all know that bulk modulus is the ratio of increase in pressure and volumetric strain. So option choice D is the correct answer, pressure per unit volumetric strain. Now let us see question number 5. One stroke one stroke is equal to, see, stroke is unit of kinematic viscosity, and kinematic viscosity is dynamic viscosity per unit density of fluid. Dynamic viscosity per unit density of fluid. So dynamic viscosity is resistance to the movement of one layer of fluid over another layer. In order to understand this question, you need to understand kinematic viscosity and dynamic viscosity. Now let us see question option of this answer of this question number 5. Required answer or the exact answer is 10 to the power minus 4 meter square per second. So for question number 5, option choice D is the correct answer. Now let us see question number 6. Free surface of liquid tends to contract to the smallest possible area due to this phenomenon occurs because of surface tension. So correct answer for question number 6 is surface tension. Okay, now let's see question number 7. According to the equation of continuity, when the speed of water in waterfall increases its cross section area, we know that equation of continuity is A into V is equal to constant. A into V is equal to constant, which means that when area increases, velocity decreases. When area increases, velocity decreases, and vice versa. So here question is saying that when speed of water means this V is increases, when V increases, A must decrease. So option choice B is the correct answer for question number 7. Now let us see question number 8. Angle of contact of pure water and glass. As we all know that angle of contact of pure water and clean glass is 0 degree. Option choice C is the correct answer for question number 8. Now question number 9. Angle of contact varies between, angle of contact always varies from 0 to pi or 0 to 180, which is option choice C. Option choice C is the correct answer for question number 9. Now let us see question number 10. Water flows through the horizontal pipe of cross section area 50 centimeter square. The speed of water is 15 meter per second, rises up to 75 meter per second in a constriction. What is the area of constriction? In order to solve this question, we must know the equation of continuity, which is A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Here in this question, our A1 is 50 centimeter square and V1 is 15. We must find A2 and our V2 is 75. Here you don't need to convert this unit centimeter square into meter square, because your answer is also in centimeter square and the two unit of speed are in meter per second. So by solving this, we get our required answer A2, that is 10 centimeter square. 10 centimeter square is correct answer for question number 10. Now let us see question number 11. Reynolds number is low for. Reynolds number is a number through which we determine the different type of flow of liquid. Now Reynolds number becomes very low for high viscosity, for low density, and for low velocity. So all of above are correct answer for question number 11. Reynolds number is low for high viscosity and it's low for low density and low velocity. Question number 12. Raindrops falls with constant velocity due to Raindrops always falls with constant velocity due to viscosity. Option choice B is the correct answer for question number 12. Now let us see question number 13. Machine parts jammed in winter because of. Machine parts jammed in winter, so that we need to warm up a machine part, or we need to warm up our bicycle, car during winter season after we start our this car and bike, because of increase in viscosity of lubricants, because of fall in temperature in winter. Because of fall in temperature in winter, the viscosity of the lubricant increases, so that machine part jam. Question number 14. Which factor affect the surface tension? Surface tension is affected by all of above: mixing of impurities, temperature, and mixing of high soluble substance. Option choice D is the correct answer for question number 14. Mixing of impurities, like detergent. When we use detergent, surface tension decreases and washing of clothes becomes easy. Temperature is inversely related with the surface tension, and mixing of highly soluble substance also increases the surface tension. In this way, all of above is the correct answer for question number 14. Now let us see question number 15. Which statement is not true about surface tension? Hot soup is spreaded over the tongue because of surface tension decreases with rise in temperature. This is correct answer. When we keep hot soup in our tongue, it spreads wide area because of rise in temperature decreases surface tension. Less surface tension means it spreads over the wide area. Lubricating oil and paint spreads properly because of low surface tension. This is also correct one. Antiseptic spreads over large area because of low surface tension. This is also correct one. We must know that if surface tension is less, the things spreads over the wide area. Surface tension of oil is more than that of water. This one is wrong. Surface tension of oil is less than that of water. And one application of this one is oil has less surface tension than water, so oil spreads over wide area in water, creating thin film, and it is used to stop breeding of mosquito. Mosquito usually breeds in stagnant water, in water surface, and when we spread oil over that stagnant water, then the breeding of mosquito stops. Question number 16. The viscous force acting on a body, or the Stokes law, the force given by Stokes law is F is equal to 6 pi eta RV. Option choice C is the correct answer for question number 16. F is equal to 6 pi eta RV. Now let us see question number 17. Which one is not the application of Bernoulli's theorem? Lift of aeroplane is the application of Bernoulli's theorem. We already discussed. Atmosphere can be the body spray can be regarded as atmosphere. In atmosphere also we use Bernoulli's theorem. Blowing of roof in stormy day. This is also this is also because of Bernoulli's theorem. Floating of needle on water surface. This D is a correct answer for this question. D is because of surface tension. So application of Bernoulli's theorem is lift of aeroplane, principle of atmosphere, and blowing of roof in a stormy day. For this question number 17, our correct answer is option choice D. Now let us see question number 18. Bernoulli's equation in fluid dynamics is valid for. Bernoulli's equation in fluid dynamics is valid for continuous flow. We must know these 4-5 things about Bernoulli's theorem. Bernoulli's theorem is valid for ideal gas, for ideal steady incompressible continuous and irrotational flow of liquid. So ideal steady incompressible and continuous and irrotational flow of fluid must be required in order to for the validity of the Bernoulli's equation. Now let us see question number 19. A square plate of 1 meter side moves parallel to the another plate with velocity 0.1 meter per second. Both plates immersed in water. If the viscous force is 0.2 Newton and viscosity of water is 0.1 poise, what is their distance? For this question we must use this formula. This formula is known as Newton's formula for viscous force. Here square plate, we know that 1 meter is length of square, so our area is 1 meter square, and the velocity or relative velocity is 0.1 meter per second, and the viscous force is 0.2 Newton, and the viscosity of water is 0.1 poise. Here I need to do a little bit correction for the this must be 1 poise. This must be 1 poise. So here if your answer for the your value for coefficient of viscosity is poise, you need to convert it into decapoise, because decapoise is SI unit. So 0.1 decapoise. Now substituting value of eta, A and dV, we get the value of dx. Dx is 0.01, 0.05. That is the correct answer for question number 19. That is the separation of two plates. According to this question, two square shaped plates are like this, and we need to find the distance between these plates. So correct answer is 0.05 meter. Now let us see question number 20, last question from this topic. Surface tension arises due to, option choice B is the correct answer for this question. Cohesive force between the molecule. Because of cohesive force between the molecule comes close to each other. Because of that, the area decreases, which is the surface tension. So right answer for question number 20 is option choice B. Thank you very much. See you in another video.